So I'm going to give you a demo of LabGuide 3.2 experiments with steps and quality. You can get this particular link from the My Report or in the handouts. So once you open it, arrange the window so that you can easily follow the instructions and do as asked in the instructions on the Playground AI UI. So first step, go to Playground AI create. I'm there. Playground AI is loaded. Third step, input this prompt, Command C, and input in the prompt box as shown over here. Completed. Enable negative prompt. I enable negative prompt and put this in the negative prompt. So I just copy it and paste it in the negative prompt. Done. Step 5 completed. Step 6, 512 by 768 as a dimension. 512 by 768 is a dimension. Prompt guidance to 8. Prompt guidance is 8. Quality in details is 10. So I set the quality in details as 10. Uncheck the randomize each number. So I uncheck it and it pre-populates it with some random number. But if I have to reproduce the result, I can use this particular seed. So I copy it and paste the seed here. Next, show advanced option. Toggle the show advanced option here and choose sampler as PNDM, PMLMS. So I choose the sampler as PNDM, PLMS. Next, click on generate. So we are going to start generating our images. Here we see we have actually the same image generated because we are using the same seed and the rest of the settings are same. And we also see the image generated is not pretty or beautiful. It feels like a bit deformed. That's what happens if you have low quality and details. Let's actually iterate over it and see how improving the quality and details improves the image quality. So next we set the quality to 20. So we set the quality to 20. Next, click on generate. Click on generate. Right now we see the face is smooth, the skin is smooth, and the details are also very clear. So improving just the steps by 10 has improved the image quality very well. Also we see like with the steps as 20, it's good for exploration purpose where you don't want to put in because the high number of quality and details takes more time to generate the images. So with the step 20, we get decent image that gives a good idea of what the final image is going to be look like if we increase the steps to 50 or so. So with the 20, we have generated and we have seen what the difference is. Now let's actually bump it up to 30 and see what the differences are. We bump it to 30. Now we see the skin is even more smoother and the chins and the rest of the features are even turning even more beautiful. Obviously the number of changes are less, so we see the rate of change has decreased, but it is improving on the finer details. So with the step 30, we have even smoother skin. If you follow the same process for 40, we have even more clear skin. The details are more finer and more beautiful. So we see how varying the number of steps gives us better quality images. And now we understand the pros and cons of varying the steps between